Okay, question 41 is a kind of ratio scale question. So the ratio of 20 minutes to 1 hour can be written in the form of 1 to n. Find out what n is. So the problem with that question to start with is we've got minutes and hours, which are two different units, so we need to be working with the same unit. And it's going to be easier to convert the hours to minutes, otherwise we're going to end up with decimals and it's going to get a bit nasty. So if we're saying 20 minutes to 1 hour, well, there are 60 minutes in an hour, so that's going to be the same as 20 minutes to 60 minutes. And if it's saying it can be written in the ratio of 1 to n, and you want to know what that is, so how do you get from 20 to 1? What do you have to do to get from 20 back to 1? Well, you have to divide by 20, because that's 20 is 20 times bigger than 1. So to go back the other way, we're going to divide. So if we divide 20 by 20, we have to divide 60 by 20 as well. What you do to one, you have to do to the other. And 60 divided by 20 is 3. So the answer is going to be 1 to 3. So n is going to be 3. The second part of the question, where it says this, we got the map scale. So we got a scale. The scale of the map is 1 to 25,000. Okay, so what that means is 1 centimeter on the map is 25,000 centimeters in real life. So if it wants to know how many kilometers is represented by 9 centimeters. Okay, so again, we've got 1 centimeter, we want to turn it into 9. So how do we do that? Well, it's 9 times bigger, so we're going to times it by 9. So we need to times this side by 9 as well. So just bring a calculator in. So we're going to do 25, let's switch it on, that'd be better, 25,000 times that by 9, and we get 225,000. Okay, switch me over. So we get 225,000. Now that's in centimeters. And the question asks us how many kilometers is that. So we need to work out centimeters to kilometers. So let's do centimeters to meters. Well, there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And then if we do meters to kilometers, kilo means 1,000, so there's 1,000 meters in a kilometer, which means if we times those two together, there are 100,000 centimeters in a kilometer. So we have to take our 225,000, divide that by 100,000 to give us 2.25. So there are 2.25 kilometers on the ground is represented by 9 centimeters on the map. And if I just click on that, there you go, that's the calculation we did.